There are really two types of window replacement. There is a new construction or a full tear out, and then there's a pocket replacement. Most of the windows that we replace here at Energy Pro are going to be pocket replacement. Your average pocket replacement window doesn't take too terribly long. Most of our jobs, about 90% of our jobs, we replace a whole house of windows in a day. With new construction, you're gutting the opening back to the original stud framework of the house. We're replacing all the exterior trim and all the interior trim. So that install can take a little bit longer, but even then, those type of installs, usually 2 days. And that is with gutting the opening and completely retrimming out the inside and the outside of the windows. On average, here at Energy Pro with our crews, we can install about 43 windows in a home in one single day. Yeah, so again, some factors that are involved in the time to replace windows. Obviously weather, we work all year round. When it's cold, extremely cold outside, we're only taking out one window at a time and putting one window back in the house so that we can maintain the heating on the inside of the home. And of course, if it's raining or sprinkling, we don't install windows. One thing is if it's even just a light mist, it can affect our caulking when we finish a window.